The abundance of mammal species in relation to habitat complexity, logging intensity, and fire frequency in southeastern Queensland. My name is Andrew Debenham, and I will be presenting my findings on this research topic. The focus species of the study included various small ground-dwelling mammals such as dunarts, antechinus, planigales, and mice, as well as the arboreal possums. These common southeastern Queensland mammals were trapped over a 2-week period in order to gain an understanding on how fire frequency, logging intensity, and habitat complexity affects their relative abundance. Previous studies involved in this area have faced challenges in their mission to achieve reliable data. In order to collect reliable, abundance-based data, a large sampling effort is required. As a result of this, these studies can be extremely slow to develop. Consequently, problems can arise in that the habitat and environment is always changing, meaning results may vary over the study period. The study site was located in the Helidon Hills region, which is situated approximately 17 kilometres west of Gatton. 5 separate study sites were used in the area, which included the first 3, Haggadorn, Burkett and Valmar, while the second 2, Ergon West and Ergon East, were located further north. Each study site had a different fire regime and logging intensity. Seen here is the schematic diagram of the Haggadorn property, which was unlogged with a low fire frequency. The diagram illustrates each trap line used, with 8 Elliott lines consisting of 10 traps each, 8 individual cage traps, and 3 pitfall lines consisting of 5 traps each. The soil plots are marked with a square, however their data was not included in this report. The first piece of data analysis focused on the abundance of possums and determined that it was significantly affected by logging intensity, but not by fire frequency. This is explained by the fact that the logged areas eliminated the possum's preferred habitat, resulting in a lack of possums in those areas, and vice versa. The next investigation analysed the effect of logging and fire on the abundance of small ground-dwelling mammals, which were listed earlier. The results concluded that neither fire frequency nor logging intensity influenced their abundance, which led to an investigation of other influencing factors. During the study, the habitat complexity factors were given a score at each trapline location. As seen here, it was found that the amount of shrub canopy cover significantly affected the average relative abundance of small ground-dwelling mammals, more so than any other factor. The analysis also determined that the ground dwellers were more so affected by ground vegetation cover and the amount of fallen debris than other habitat factors. The P and F value for each factor is listed in this table, demonstrating which ones had more of an effect than others. Although the data collection period for this study was short, the information gathered appears to be valid and credible. In conclusion, it was discovered that possum abundance is significantly affected by logging intensity, but not by fire frequency, and that the abundance of small ground-dwelling mammals is determined by habitat complexity and not by logging or fire frequency. Thank you.